We are not pro-war people. Subscribe and comment for more videos. Aksoy YouTube channel. The Ukrainian Defense Ministry's Chief Intelligence Directorate attacked a Russian logistics train. According to information received, the train was carrying fuel for Russian troops. It is said that as a result of the attack, 3 fuel tankers were burned and train traffic was stopped for a long time. 2 soldiers from Ukraine's 25th Airborne Brigade conducted an operation in the village of Lysivka in Donetsk. They approached a building where Russian soldiers were hiding in the basement. They dropped a powerful explosive. The explosion destroyed the building. The 413th Reed Battalion of the Ukrainian Armed Forces continues to destroy Russia's Buk air defense systems and radars with the help of drones. Developed during the Soviet era, the Buk is a medium-range air defense system. Buk systems are quite expensive and take a long time to replace. The regular loss of these systems significantly weakens Russia's air defense capabilities and creates new attack opportunities for Ukraine in certain regions. A Ukrainian ground-based kamikaze drone targeted a Russian tank. However, the explosive on the drone failed to detonate due to a malfunction. Ukrainian forces quickly intervened and detonated the main explosive by dropping a small bomb from an airdropped UAV. The target tank was destroyed as a result of the operation. A Ukrainian reconnaissance drone spotted a Russian soldier resting under a bridge. When the soldier noticed the drone, he quickly hid under the bridge. However, the fire still burning at the spot he was at gave his location away. In the drone footage, 2 boats protruding from under the bridge caught attention. The soldier's feet trying to take cover were not enough to hide his presence. This small detail foreshadowed the fatal end. The FPV kamikaze drone, which was directed to the area in a short time, hit the target with a precise shot. The Ukrainian Air Force Western Air Command has released footage of the use of the American-made MIM-23 Hawk air defense system. The system, which is said to be effective despite its age, has made 4 successful shots against Russian missile and drone attacks. Subscribe to our channel before moving on to our next news, and like the video for more videos. Aksoy YouTube channel. The next news is from the Kursk region. According to reports, Ukrainian soldiers in the village of Guevo carried out 3 airstrikes on Russian positions. A building complex occupied by Russian forces near the village of Nadezhivka in the Belgorod region was targeted. Equipment was destroyed in an airstrike carried out with GBU-39 bombs. It was also reported from the Soledar district of Donetsk region that Ukrainian soldiers attacked a building occupied by Russian forces. A building housing Russian soldiers in the village of Guevo, in the Kursk region, was targeted in an airstrike by Ukraine using French-made hammer-guided munitions. Similar images came from the Kherson region. This time, a building in the Russian-occupied Kherson region was attacked with a French-made hammer bomb. Hammer ammunition supplied by France is frequently used by Ukraine. The 4th Rubezh Rapid Response Brigade of the National Guard of Ukraine successfully repelled a massive offensive attempt by Russian troops stationed in the Donetsk region. In this video, Ukrainian Marines from Mykolaiv conduct precision UAV operations against Russian military targets in the Kursk region. As a result of the attack by drones called Steel Birds, several military targets belonging to the invaders were successfully destroyed. Subscribe for more of these videos and like the video for more.